Everyone, welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day. Please look at the question. I'll pause the video, come back, and we'll do it. The function f of x is defined by that. What is the value of f of x when x is 5? So you just have to know what this means, what the notation means. The notation means when f of x, when x is 5, means that you plug 5 into this equation and see what it results in. So f of...
What does plug 5 into this equation mean?
Substitute or replace. So it means...
replace what? The plus?
Replace the x. Good question. I'm glad you're holding me to a good standard. Replace the x with what is in the... replace the x with what they're telling us x is. So you basically... In English, this means evaluate x plus 4 when x is equal to 5. So you have to replace the x with 5. You do the math, which you can use a calculator, but hopefully you don't need a calculator for this. And then you say the answer. So it's so clearly asking you, they just want to know, do you know this notation? That's it. Because it's understood that you know how to add 5 and 4 when you're in 11th grade taking the test. So, we always go through the, Seth, do you have any comments? Seth, we're live. Dead air. Talk.
Nothing more to say. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's really a question of knowing the notation, knowing the language, knowing the grammar,
including the word function.
Yeah. You don't even have to know.
It be defined.
Oh, yes, that's right. They do have the word function. Yeah.
Yeah.
One input, one output. The input is 4. The input is 4. The output is 9. That's it.
The input is 5.
What did I say?
You said 4.
Right. You're right. I said 4, and then I corrected myself.
The function means that the input could be any number, and the output is the number that's calculated when the input number replaces the x, the symbol within the formula, and the number is calculated from the expression that's obtained by replacing the x by the input number. So in the case of this problem, the input number is 5, and you calculate the value to answer what is the value. You replace the x symbol with a 5. You get a plain old arithmetic expression, and you calculate what the expression means, which is summing 5 and 4. And then the answer is 9.
Right. Okay. So we'll go through the 4 questions that we have. The first one, which is the most important one, sometimes you do the most important one first, is what are they finding out if you know? And we already discussed what they're finding out if you know. You have to know
functions, formulas, values of functions.
Yeah.
With where a value is always asks for to ask for the value of the function. It always comes with the value of the input being given.
Right. Okay, so we know that. Calculator, and this is a calculator part of a test, but calculator, it's going to take too long. It's going to take so long to open up the calculator to do 5 plus 4, but you're welcome to do that. Does it make sense to plug or use the answers as just make choice just to go through the answers and test? No, it really doesn't, because then you'd have to do subtraction. And the last one is, would you do this problem any different from would you do this problem on an SAT different from a school problem? Would you do it faster or anything? Not really. If you had a problem at school, you'd do it the same way. So I think we're done, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So I'm Joel. I have a PhD in mechanical engineering from Columbia. My brother Seth's a PhD in math from MIT. Seth's been teaching computer science for many years at SUNY Albany. He's now retired. We're here to hopefully offer different approaches on how to do SAT math questions. We look at it from different perspectives. We're different people. Even though we're brothers, we're different people. We have different views. We have different educational backgrounds. But more importantly, we're different people. So hopefully we're offering some information and helpful insights into these questions. And to study for the Math SAT, just do as many practice questions as you can, locate what you're weak on, and study up on the topics you're weak on. You can go to Khan Academy digital side to, they tell you exactly what's on the test. You can practice on a slew of their questions and take as many practice questions as you can. And I think that's it. So please give us comments on our videos. We take all the comments very seriously. And if you have any SAT math questions, email them to us at satmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. So, any comments?
No comment.
Great. Okay. So, okay, then I guess have a great day, and we hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.